students, how are you? We are studying chapter 9 coordination compounds. Okay, now we will see the last video of this chapter. To complete this chapter, we will discuss in this video applications of coordination compounds. Okay, if you have skipped in any video of this chapter, you can see in playlist of this chapter which is given in the description box, and try to write all the answers of the questions of the chapter. If you have any problem related to this chapter, you can ask me in comment box. Okay, now we will start the applications of coordination compounds in different fields. First of all, in biological systems, in living beings. First of all, hemoglobin, which is found present in our blood, which is red. This is actually the complex of Fe+2 ions. This hemoglobin is responsible for the red color of the blood, and it transports the oxygen to all the cells of the body. If there is be lack of hemoglobin, the transportation of oxygen will be stopped, and it can cause death also. Okay, it means first of the main thing is hemoglobin is the complex of Fe+2. The second one is chlorophyll, which is founded in the green leaves. Okay, chlorophyll is the complex of Mg+2, and this is responsible for photosynthesis in green plants to make food. Third, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, that is also known as cyanocobalamin. Very important question. Vitamin B12 is the complex of cobalt plus 3, and its chemical name is cyanocobalamin. Okay, hemocyanin, it is found in the blue-green algae, and it is also a blue-green pigment. It is the blue-green pigment present in the blue-green algae, and it is complex of Cu+2. Vitamin B12 Co+3, hemocyanin Cu+2, chlorophyll Mg+2, and hemoglobin Fe+2. Cisplatin means the cis isomer of diamine dichloroplatinum second is used as medicine in the treatment of cancer. Okay, ABL, it is also a complex. It is the short form of the medicine. It is the complex to use the treatment of toxicity of heavy metals like Hg+2, Pb+2. Means these heavy metals enters in our body by the water pollution and causes very toxic effects in our body. It is very important to remove these heavy metals from the body, and ABL, this is the complex compound, is used for this purpose. And calcium EDTA is a complex of calcium, is used as medicine to remove lead from the body. It decreases the toxic nature or toxicity of the heavy metals, while calcium EDTA removes the lead from the body. These are the biological applications. Now we will discuss the applications of coordination compound in metal extractions. First of all, in metal displacement method, very important method, is also discussed in metal extraction processes. This method, first of all, is used for the heavy or expensive metals just like Ag, Au, Pt, etc. Okay, first of all, we have concentrated ore. Take the concentrated ore of the silver. We are taking the example of silver here. Whole silver is AgCl, ore of Ag, and silver glance Ag2S is ore of Ag. Any one of these. First of all, concentrated ore is treated with NaCN. By the reaction, we obtain sodium argentocyanide. It is a water soluble complex. This water soluble complex is separated out by filtration, and then reacted with any active metal like Zn or zinc. Then zinc displaces the Ag from the complex, and Ag is separated out. See the reactions. First of all, AgCl react with AgCN, NaAgCN2, means sodium argentocyanide is obtained. It is water soluble compound. In the solution of this compound, Zn granules are mixed. Zn replaces the Ag from the complex, and Ag is separated out, and Zn is dissolved in the compound. Clear? Second method is Mond process. It is also very important process. Generally, it is asked that which method is used for the extraction of nickel. For nickel, Mond process is used. Nickel is extracted by this method. Impure Ni, first of all, treated with carbon monoxide. With carbon monoxide, it makes a coordination compound tetracarbonyl nickel 0. It is a carbonyl ligand, only carbonyl ligands are present, so the oxidation number of nickel will be 0. It is tetracarbonyl nickel 0. Its vapor is founded. Then its vapor is condensed, and condensed tetracarbonyl nickel is heated then. And on heating, it decomposes and carbon monoxide is evaporated and pure nickel is precipitated out. Thus, impure Ni is purified into pure Ni. Just same method is used as Van Arkel process. It is used for the separation of titanium and zirconium. Here the titanium or zirconium is treated with iodine. With iodine, it makes a coordination compound TiI4. Okay, this is also a vapor. Its vapor is condensed and then heated. On heating, it decomposes. Pure titanium is precipitated out and I2 is removed. Both the process, Mond process and Van Arkel processes are same patterned, but the difference of the name reaction, name process, Mond process is used for the Ni, while Van Arkel process is used for titanium and zirconium. Okay, this is the metal extraction. Now the application of coordination compounds in photography. Photographic films are coated by AGBR Sol. जो photographic films, first of all, when are formed, these are coated with AGBR Sol. When they are clicked or flashed out, then the photo is framed. To print the photo, first of all, the film has to be developed. To develop the film, hypo solution is used. Hypo solution means Na2S2O3. It is known as the hypo. Hypo solution is used. This hypo solution reacts with AGBR and makes a hard complex NaAgS2O3 whole twice. Sodium argento hypo solution is used, which is hard in nature and it is precipitated or decomposed on the film to make it hard, and thus the film is developed. There is no any effect of light on the film now. So AGBR reacts with hypo solution and this hard complex compound is formed. Okay. Now the next application in qualitative analysis. We have in practical syllabus to detect or to identify the cations and anion from the mixture. In qualitative analysis, for quantitative analysis, cations are classified into 7 groups: 0 group, first group, second group, third group, fourth, fifth and sixth group. The 7 groups are present. These 7 groups are identified serially, serial by serial, and some reagents are used to identify these group different are detected by some group reagents. Group reagents means the reagents or chemicals to identify the specific group. For 0 group, the group reagent is NaOH, means NaOH is used to detect the 0 group ions. Dilute HCl is used to detect first group ions. First group ion means Ag plus and Hg2 plus 2. For second group, H2S in acidic medium is used, just like CuA as CuS, arsenic as SAS2S3, antimony as Sb2S3, cadmium as CdS, lead as PbS. These all are the second group cations. Third alpha 3 ions are present, and for these 3 ion detection, NH4 is used in presence of NH4Cl for common ion effect. Okay. In fourth group, H2S gas is used in basic medium. This was the acidic medium and this is a basic medium. There are 4 cations: Zn, Man, Co, Ni. All are +2 oxidized oxidation state. In fifth group, ammonium carbonate is used for the precipitation of Basirka. Basirka means barium, strontium and calcium. And in last group, only single cation is present, Mg+2, and these cations are precipitated by the anion of the group reagent, means first group as chloride, second group as sulfide, third group as hydroxide, fourth group also as sulfide, fifth group as carbonate, and sixth group as hydrogen phosphate. Okay, now we obtained some precipitated by these reaction. Now we have to identify that which ion is present in the respective precipitate. For this we use the coordination compound analysis. Okay, first of all we discuss about first group. In first group Ag plus 2 and Hg2 plus 2 ions are present. First of all we obtained white PPT of Ag plus AgCl or Hg2Cl by the diluted HCl. Now this white PPT is dissolved in ammonium hydroxide. If this white PPT is dissolved completely in ammonium hydroxide, means the PPT is of AgCl, means Ag plus ions are present. While if the white PPT reacts with NH4 to give black color, it turns black, means Hg2 plus 2 ions are present. Reaction C, AgCl plus NH4Cl, AgNH3 whole twice Cl2. This water soluble complex compound obtained, means the precipitate has Ag plus ions. While if Hg2Cl2 is present, then black color of HgNH2Cl or plus Hg is obtained, means Hg plus 2 ions are present. Okay, this is the detection of the Ag plus and Hg2 plus by the coordination compounds. Next, second group. Second group is precipitate ours as in the form of sulfur. According to their oxidation state, the sulfur atoms are added with the cation. Okay, now these ions are classified into two groups. Second group cations are again classified into two subgroups, second A and second B, on the basis of dissolving or in yellow ammonium sulfide. These PPT may be black, white or any other color. This PPT is dissolved now in yellow ammonium sulfide. If this PPT is dissolved, means it is soluble, then the group is known as second B. And the PPT is insoluble in NH4S, means yellow ammonium sulfide, then this group was second A. Why? Because second B group cations reacts with yellow ammonium sulfide to make complex compound. Antimony sulfide obtained, which is soluble in ammonium sulfide. Just like tin sulfide is dissolved in yellow ammonium sulfide, ammonium thioacetate is obtained. Okay, these complex compounds show the presence of second B group. Next, in detection of the Cu plus 2 ions of second A group. Cu plus 2 ions present in second A group, means it is insoluble in yellow ammonium sulfide. To detect the Cu plus 2 ions, we react the Cu plus 2 ion solution with NH4OH or K4FeCN6. If NH4OH or liquid ammonia is used to detect the Cu plus 2 ion, we get dark blue colored complex tetraamine coupled sulfate. Dark blue color is obtained. While we used K4FeCN6, then these K4 ions are replaced by Cu plus 2 ions and chocolatey color complex is obtained, cupric ferrocyanide. Okay, just like same for Fe plus 3 ions. Fe plus 3 ions are also detected by the help of K4FeCN6 and KCNS. Fe plus 3 ions are obtained in the third group by the NH4OH in the presence of NH4Cl. So hydroxide form is present, chocolatey precipitate is obtained of Fe hydroxide. Okay, Fe plus 3 ions are treated with K4FeCN6, then Prussian blue color complex ferrocyanide is obtained. While we use the KCNS to check the Fe plus 3 ions, we get blood red color ferrothiocyanate. Okay, blood red, there is Prussian blue color is obtained and their blood red color is obtained. These colors show the presence of Fe plus 3 ion in the mixture. detection of the coordination compound is the detection of the Ni+2 of fourth group. There are four cations in fourth group: German, Coni, zinc, manganese, cobalt and nickel. For zinc and nickel we use the coordination compound. First of all, we discuss the precipitation of nickel. DMG means dimethyl glyoxime is used to detect the Ni+2 ion, and when Ni+2 ion react with DMG, pink colored complex is obtained. Ni+2, structure of DMG: CH3 C double bond NOH and CH3 double bond NOH. When this reacts in basic medium, this bis dimethyl glyoxime nickel second pink colored complex compound is obtained, means the colorless solution is turned into pink color. This pink color shows the presence of Ni+2 ions in the compound. And we want to check the Zn+2 ions, then NH4OH is used. When Zn+2 ions are dissolved in NH4S ion, NH4OH solution, bluish white color complex compound is obtained. This bluish white color shows the presence of Zn+2 ions in the mixture. Thus we can detect the different ions with the help of coordination compounds and metal extraction in biological systems and photographic system for the coordination compounds. Thank you.